Hey everyone, welcome back to Guru Design Lab. I am Guru. Today we are tackling exercise 30. Uh, we will model this custom bracket step by step in SolidWorks, covering multi-view blueprints, fillets, and hollow extrusion. Let's jump right and you can see this design. So first now we can close this exercise and we can sketch in new part. Then select part and then OK. Go to any plane like top plane and go to sketch and take a center rectangle at origin and go to smart dimension and make this dimension 100 mm and this is 60 mm, and then go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude it up to 5 mm, then OK, and select this face and go to sketch and take a reference line at a midpoint and take a reference line at here. Select these both lines and make it for construction, and then go to the smart dimension and make this dimension 23 mm, and then go to sketch tab and select circle and make the circles at here and go to smart dimension and make these circles of 20 mm, and then go to features tab and go to extrude cut and select it 5 mm and then OK. You can now then select a sketch and make a circle at this origin point of 24 mm, then go to smart dimension and make this dimension 24 mm, then go to features tab, sorry guys, convert it into convert entities and then go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude it up to 3 mm and then OK. You can see this result, and then go to front plane and then sketch, then go to line tab and select this corner and make these lines like this, and then select, go to smart dimension and make these lines 50 mm, and this is 8 mm. Select OK and select this midpoint and this origin and make it vertical, and then after select fillet and fillet these entities 10 mm and then OK. Select line and make this line complete entities and then go to features tab, select extrude boss base, select it from mid plane and 60 mm and then OK. You can see here, then go to right plane and select a sketch, take a reference line then go to smart dimension and make this dimension of 20 mm, then okay, and select these both lines and make it for construction. And go to sketch and select circle and create a circle 30 mm, and then okay, and go to features tab and select extrude cut, and then okay, then go to right plane and then sketch and select circle, go to smart dimension and make this dimension of 34 mm. Select this entities and make select it for convert entities, and then go to features tab and select extrude boss face and extrude it from mid plane and extrude it up to 14 mm, then select ok. You can apply fillet here of 15 mm and select this corner and then go to fillet tab and fillet it up to 15 mm and select this both corners and then select ok. You can see here this profile is complete. Right now we can apply color from this tab, then select ok, select this fillet, then go to appearance tab and then select any color, then ok, then go to appearance and select any other color to color it whole, then ok. And how that is you complete exercise 30 in SolidWorks. If this tutorial helped you, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to Design Lab. For more engineering exercises, drop any questions in comment below. I am Guru and I will see you in the next video. Happy designing. Thank you guys.